Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luther. This week, I'm building a bench for our dining room table. Now, I'm not the greatest when it comes to building furniture, but this one was really simple. Let's check it out. To start out, I'm cutting up this piece of pine and gluing it up to use as the top of this bench. I'm trying to do this bench under $30, so this was a good cheap option. Once I get this glued up and put in the clamps, I'll move on to cutting up the 2x3s as my legs and stretcher pieces. Here I am just cutting up the legs, and I'll cut a 45-degree angle at the base of the legs just to give it more aesthetic appeal. And now with all the pieces cut, I can go ahead and go over them with my orbital sander. Here I'm just taking off the rough edges and making everything look smooth. While you're watching this, now'd be a great time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. After getting everything somewhat smooth, I can move on to the joinery. Here I'm just using pocket holes because they're easy and even I can't screw them up. I'm not the greatest when it comes to building furniture, so pocket holes make it easy enough for me to do. One of these days I hope to move up to better joinery techniques and becoming a better woodworker. But for now, this is just a bench that'll sit at our dining table, and I wanted it to be simple and not take a long time. After I attached the side pieces to the legs, had everything ready to go, off camera I put together the sides and the stretcher piece down the center of the bottom and took it out back and prepared it to paint. And after several coats of this white, I can move on to the top piece. After magically removing it from the clamps, I decided to put a chamfered edge on both the top and bottom. Here I'm just sanding up from 60 grit to all the way up to 220. Once it's nice and smooth, we can move on to staining it. After this fully dries, I can attach it to the bottom structure. Once again, I'm using pocket holes with pocket hole screws. This attaches really quickly and easily. Now this is a simple design and a simple build, and I did it all for under $30. My wife wanted a bench for our dining table before our daughter turned a month old, and I was able to come up with this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. I'm open. All right. Oh, hey. Just out here playing a game of 2-on-2 with my buddy, the big guy in this bench you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So, y'all go out and have a great day. Go try and make something awesome. We're going to get back to it. Alright, it's 5-3. Alright, and go.